Arctic chill and winter weather hitting the Midwest. With the possibility of 6 to 10 inches, nearly 200 snow trucks loaded with salt hit the streets of Chicago Friday morning. By 9 a.m., more than 300 flights at O'Hare Airport have been canceled. By 3 p.m., 600 flights. And the worst part of this storm is the freezing temperatures in the teens and some areas 0 and below. You can see I have this mask on. If you're out here for more than a few minutes without full protection, frostbite can come quick. With snow falling at 1 inch an hour, Matt FITZPATRICK was trying to clear the sidewalks while battling the elements.
Slippery, cold. It's pretty nice in here though, it's a heated cab, so.
On highways and interstates, it was slow going. Plows moving as fast as possible to ease the pain before rush hour.
It just slows everything down, but if you just take your time and be cautious, you get through it.
A winter wonderland, or a nightmare. As the system is expected to trek east, blanketing much of the Northeast this weekend. Robert Ray, Associated Press, Chicago.